Did you know what is professional teeth cleaning or scaling? Let's talk about that. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shabnam. I'm a periodontist or a pediatric specialist, and today we will discuss what is professional teeth cleaning or scaling. Due to many reasons, sometimes people fail to visit their dentist for their regular dental checkup, and as the time extends, food particles they stuck between your teeth and your gums, and they have many harmful bacteria which release toxins. These bacteria and their toxins they leads to tartar buildup, which leads to gum infection or gingivitis. Unfortunately, this tartar buildup it won't come out from your regular tooth cleaning like toothbrushing or dental flossing. So, your dentist recommend a professional teeth cleaning or scaling. Scaling it is a specialized procedure that removes tartar buildup from your teeth surface above and below your gum lines, which is usually performed with the use of hand scalers or ultrasonic scalers. It is highly recommended that you should get rid of this tartar because if you don't, it will continue to grow and it will infect the surrounding gums and surrounding bone. Then it leads to pyorrhea or periodontitis. So, it is advised that you should go to your dentist for your regular dental checkup and get your professional teeth cleaning done once in 6 months. I hope you liked the video. For more videos, you can subscribe to our channel and you can hang out with me on Instagram. And to book your dental appointment, you can call on this number. Thank you.